Hello, my beautiful geeks and curious minds. Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of anti-aging science and AI, exploring how these incredible advancements are bringing us closer to reversing the biological clock. Buckle up, because this is a journey you won't want to miss. In a world where the quest for eternal youth has been the domain of myth and fantasy, recent scientific breakthroughs are painting a different picture. No longer confined to the pages of ancient epics, the potential to reverse aging has stepped into the realm of reality, driven by cutting-edge research and artificial intelligence. Join us as we delve into the captivating journey of how scientists are redefining the boundaries of human longevity. The science behind age reversal. Imagine a team of researchers from Harvard Medical School, the University of Maine, and MIT working tirelessly to turn back the biological clock. Their groundbreaking study, detailed in the journal Aging, has unveiled a method to rejuvenate cells chemically. This method, a first of its kind, enables cells to grow younger, bypassing the need for gene therapy, which has been the traditional approach until now. Dr. David Sinclair, a leading figure in this research, highlighted that previous methods focused on slowing aging. However, this new approach suggests that we can now reverse it. The team identified 6 chemical combinations capable of restoring cells to their youthful state, reprogramming them in a matter of days. These findings build on the Nobel Prize-winning discovery of Yamanaka factors, which can transform adult cells into induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs. But unlike gene therapy, which comes with significant risks, this chemical method promises a safer and more accessible path to age reversal. AI and the fountain of youth. Artificial intelligence, a tool often associated with autonomous cars and virtual assistants, is making significant strides in the field of anti-aging medicine. Integrated Biosciences, a company leveraging AI and synthetic biology, has made headlines by discovering new senolytic compounds. These compounds selectively target and remove senescent cells, those that contribute to aging and age-related diseases, much like how antibiotics eradicate harmful bacteria. By training deep neural networks on vast datasets, researchers have identified 3 potent senolytic compounds from over 800,000 molecules. These compounds not only display high selectivity, but also possess favorable chemical properties, making them prime candidates for future anti-aging drugs. Dr. Satotaka Omori of Integrated Biosciences emphasizes that such AI-driven discoveries could revolutionize how we approach aging, bringing us closer to therapies that can significantly extend human health span. Concrete examples of age reversal in action. Consider the implications of these scientific breakthroughs. In one experiment, one of the identified compounds was tested on elderly mice, approximately 80 weeks old, which correlates to about 80 human years. The results were astounding. The compound cleared senescent cells and reduced the expression of genes associated with aging in the kidneys. This not only showcases the potential for these compounds to treat age-related diseases, but also highlights the transformative power of AI in drug discovery. Furthermore, this research is not just about prolonging life, but enhancing the quality of life. Imagine a future where age-related diseases like Alzheimer's, arthritis, and heart disease are no longer inevitable consequences of aging. Instead, we could see a world where the elderly enjoy the vitality and health typically reserved for the young thanks to these innovative treatments. The broader implications. The potential to reverse aging extends beyond individual health benefits. Economically, the impact could be profound. Age-related diseases currently place a massive burden on healthcare systems worldwide. By reducing the prevalence of these diseases, we could alleviate this burden, leading to significant cost savings and more efficient healthcare delivery. Moreover, the ethical considerations of age reversal are both fascinating and complex. As we move closer to making these treatments a reality, society will need to grapple with questions about access, equity, and the broader implications of extending human life. These discussions will be crucial in ensuring that the benefits of these scientific advancements are shared broadly and fairly. The path forward. While the road to fully realizing age reversal is still long, the progress made thus far is nothing short of extraordinary. Researchers are continually refining their methods, aiming to translate these early successes into viable therapies for humans. The next steps will involve rigorous clinical trials to ensure the safety and efficacy of these treatments. For now, the message is clear. The dream of reversing aging is no longer confined to science fiction. With continued investment in research and the integration of AI into drug discovery, we stand on the brink of a new era in medicine, one where the limitations imposed by aging may soon be a thing of the past. A call to engage. In this exciting journey towards reversing aging, everyone has a role to play. Whether you're a researcher, a healthcare professional, or someone simply interested in the future of medicine, staying informed and engaged is crucial. Support for scientific research, advocacy for ethical considerations, and a commitment to equitable access will be key to ensuring that these advancements benefit all of humanity. In conclusion, the convergence of AI and biotechnology is opening up unprecedented possibilities for age reversal. As we venture into this new frontier, let us embrace the promise it holds, not just for prolonging life, but for enhancing the quality of life for generations to come. The future, it seems, is not just about living longer, but living better. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-powered antics, go ahead and smash that subscribe button like it's an outdated captcha. Until next time, keep your algorithms error-free and your coffee strong.